Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, we are going to see how to install DaVinci Resolve in Windows 10. Now go to your browser and type DaVinci Resolve, and this is the official link of DaVinci Resolve. And you just if you want to install the DaVinci Resolve, just click download, or if you want to purchase DaVinci Resolve Studio, it's cost around 25,000 rupees nearly in Indian cost. If you want to purchase, you can purchase. I'm going to install DaVinci Resolve 2016 because the 2016 is the current edition and 2000 Resolve 17 beta is the beta edition. So I'm going to install 16 version of DaVinci Resolve. Okay, I'm already downloaded the package, so I don't want to download again. And I'll right click the DaVinci Resolve and extract here. Okay, it's downloaded. Uh, it's a normal installation only, no specific field. So just double click the exe file and just select what are your fields or needed. I needed and click install. That's it. Installer is installed, and you can use your DaVinci Resolve. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.